still on my mission searching for edible insects.
Hi guys, what's up? I'm Danny, your insect chef, and I show you how we create together a delicious recipe with insects. So let's check our recipe of today, and don't forget to subscribe.
Guys, we are here in Australia. I'm still on my mission searching for edible insects. Let's look around what we have here. Probably we're gonna find termites. I'll check for it. Finally, we found something. I think they're kind of termites or ants. I'll try one. They don't have that much taste and maybe it's too small, but you have to eat more. But anyway, good protein source in the outback, so we still have some food. Thank you for watching. See you later, guys.